Mega Gas Alternative Energy from Kenya. Mega Gas is a climate tech startup providing low-income families with clean and affordable cooking gas by recycling plastic waste. Their patented process is the first of its kind in sub-Saharan Africa. Oorja Development Solutions from India. Oorja is pioneering a community-based, inclusive pay-per-use model to deliver solar farming services to smallholder farmers. Their solutions help farmers transition durably away from fossil fuels. Solaristique from Nigeria. Solaristique is a recycling company tackling Nigeria's food waste. Their solution transforms defunct freezers into low-cost, hyper-efficient, solar-powered cold storage units for off-grid use.